Today is going to be one of those really awesome days. Do you know why? This is why. Hi everyone and welcome to Pal to Tech. One of the first videos that I ever published to this channel was about Apple AirPods. And in that video, I helped people to get their AirPods working if they only had audio coming out of, one ear. I use AirPods a lot, especially when traveling and editing video. And I gotta tell you something, in the past 40, maybe 35 years of using Apple products, I think AirPods rank as one of the overall best products they've ever released, and it's mostly due to the simplicity of pairing and using them. Have a look at this. Couple of things here. Number one, this video is not sponsored. Listen, I'm not like, iTech or iPal to Tech. I don't have an I in the name. In fact, the only I here was that I took out my wallet and I paid for these AirPods myself, okay? So this is gonna be one of those reviews. These new AirPods are $50 more than the regular wireless AirPods. So to justify the extra $50, Apple added 3 main new features: a more customizable fit, active noise cancellation, and a more adaptive equalization, since they now have inward-facing microphones that help fine-tune the audio by adjusting the mid and low frequencies. These little babies offer 4.5 hours of music playback, 24 hours of listening time with multiple additional charges that you can make with the case. If they're all out of juice, all you need to do is charge them for 5 minutes and you get an extra hour on that. Water resistant. What does that mean exactly? Well, IP codes are a classification standard that rates the degree of protection against water or dust intrusion. So, unboxing, gotta love it. Now look at this. Right away, this is why Apple just is a little bit better in a lot of cases. And I'm not a fanboy, but check this out. Look at this. I was all ready to, use my unboxing cutter. Some of these YouTubers have, they pull out these knives, like they're in Benihana or something. No, I've got this cheap little, $5 cutting thing. I was about to cut the box open, but look at what Apple did. They have this little thing with this arrow right here, and look at this, just, there it is, just comes right apart. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Designed by Apple in California. Translation, also built in a factory in China, right? Okay, I'm just saying. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, let's have a look. What's in this? AirPods Pro. We have some instructions, okay. Safety in another language, some other kind of regulatory thing. Hey, no Apple stickers. They went a little cheap on this. There's no, those little Apple decals. Didn't come with it. No Apple stickers. Okay, here it is. Okay, so right away, the sizing is different. Okay, because here are the other AirPods, the original AirPods. It's almost like some big AirPods monster went, and crushed this down, or it got run over by a car. It's wider and, shorter. Right away, taking these things out and up. Oh boy, let's see what's happening here. I literally just took these out of the box. I haven't touched them. I haven't configured a setting. I haven't done anything. I literally took them out of the box. I'm holding them in my hand, and up on my phone comes AirPods Pro Connect. That is awesome. I don't like to have to think, and this is great. I don't have to think. Okay, putting them in. Okay, let's connect them now. So I have the brung. I'm gonna open up Spotify. Let's see here. What shall I play? Oh, I know. Let's play Pal to Tech's Awesome Mix 1. Perfect. Ooh, wow. Whoa. These are really good. In fact, they're awesome. Don't you hate it when people do that? Oh, I wish you could. These are incredible. A lot better sounding than the old ones. They are really good. They're better in 2 ways. There's more bass. The bass is just more encompassing. There's also a clarity that's missing from the other one. It's just, how loud can it go? Okay, that's too loud. How do they look? You know what? I gotta finish the video. These are so immersive, I can't even do the video with them in my ears. It's like I'm in my own little world. So here's the Lightning to USB-C cord. Good, we got that. Let's talk about this, because this is one of the big 3 things to justify the $50. And I don't know what these things, ear tips, little covers, so they pop off. If you can listen, hear this, and they pop back on. Okay, so they click off and they click back on. You can change the sizing. So it looks like there's large and small, and they come pre-installed with medium. Here's the thing, the AirPods will actually tell you which one is the best size. So let's try it out. So to do that, I go into Bluetooth, AirPods Pro, and I tap the little I right there, and I get all of my settings for AirPods, and right at the bottom it says Ear Tip Fit Test. I'm gonna tap that, and there's a little test that you can run. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Do not remove AirPods, it says, okay? It's playing some music right now, kind of earthy. The left one, try a different tip. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with the large ones. Here we go. Okay, let's try it one more time. Oh, okay, so it's telling me to try a different tip. One little issue already. It's telling me to keep adjusting the left ear. I can't get this thing in the ear anymore, and it feels good and it sounds great. By the way, if you lose these little tip things, or these little buds, I guess they're called, Apple will replace them at the Apple Store for about $4. Here's the old ones. Here's the new ones. The new ones don't stick out so much. I think it's a better design all around. It looks better. These little buttons here, and they're really easy to press, and they switch between active noise cancellation and what's called transparency mode. Transparency mode is very strange on AirPods. That feeling of isolation where you're just surrounded by the music, just whoosh, it kind of goes away, and you can hear like you don't even have these things in your ear. Oh, that's so bizarre. Okay, so what's interesting about noise cancellation, it's active noise cancellation. So when noise is coming in, when sound waves are coming in these things, the AirPods are addressing that and sending out frequencies to actually cancel the outside noise. I'm gonna go outside in the real world right now and actually test out this noise cancellation. Noise canceling mode, and let's put on an awesome Pal to Tech video. Testing out noise cancellation at Starbucks. It is literally like I'm in my own little world. Okay, I thought I'd come out here. I'm in construction zone and some traffic. I have them in noise cancellation mode right now, and I have to tell you, it's doing a really fine job out here. How about the supermarket? Let's do that. I keep thinking of the George Carlin sketch from the 1980s.
Of course, he can't hear me coming because he has on his Walkman.
You know, tuning the world out.
I'm wearing my Walkman today. I'm cutting the world out.
That noise cancellation's pretty amazing. I mean, I hear paging going on and I hear other people, but it's so much more muted and subtle. I'm shaking my head and they're just staying in there. I'd say overall, noise cancellation is amazing. I've been in all kinds of different situations today and they held up in every single case. Apple has a winner this time, for sure. And listen, I'm not an easy person to please. It sucks. The keyboard sucks. Okay, I was talking about an Apple product, all right? Don't think I'm a fanboy. I'm not, all right? I'm not a fanboy, but I know a good product when I see it. I think that they hit a home run with this. If you do wind up picking up some AirPods, let me know your experience using them. I'd love to hear about it. Please, in the comments, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Hi, everyone, and welcome to Pal to Tech. You know, whoa! Today is going to be one of those really awesome days. You know why? This is why. Come on, focus. Focus. Is the focus. Okay, here we try it again.